In this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram share list not showing your close friends. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now, find the reel that you want to share. Then, you want to tap on this share icon. Now, if you do not find your close friends over here, then tap on the search bar and you want to manually search for their username. Now, share a reel with them a couple of times. Then, over time, Instagram may start showing that person in your recent share list again based on your interactions. If that doesn't work, you want to update Instagram to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and here type Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, restart the Instagram app. Then, tap on the share icon again and check if your problem has been fixed. If the issue persists, you want to report it to Instagram. For that, tap on the profile icon, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to scroll down and tap on the help option. Then, tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem without shaking. You can select either include or don't include. Here you want to explain your issue. Describe it clearly. For example, you can write that your real share list is not showing close friends or recent contacts. You can also attach some screenshots, then tap on send. Now, Instagram customer support will help you fix this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.